guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are having another cash envelope stuffing. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel, and let's just get started right away. I hope you guys had a nice week. I know this video is a little bit late, but we're here. Okay, so let's just get started. And this is April paycheck number 4. So yeah, it's already made, but yay, made. But you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. Sometimes I don't have time for these videos, but here we are. And just to let you know, the next video, the first check of May, is coming this week as well. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Okay, so let's just get started. Utilities as always, and it's getting $80. So 50, 70, 80. And I'm gonna be taking this money out today because I need to pay my bills. And then we're gonna start from the beginning again, you know, for the month of May. So we're done with this. As usual, next is gas, and gas is getting $10. And I don't have anything left. Spending, so I have some money on spending. I put this money on the side like I always do. Spending is getting $40 this week. Oops. Alright guys, so beauty, I don't have anything on beauty. So beauty is getting $15. Alright guys, so we are done with the cash envelopes. We're gonna go to a sinking funds. So I like to put it on the purse right away. Let's get to our sinking funds. So my daughter's getting $25 as always. It's 25. So my daughter now has 1,000, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. So 450. So $500. So 1,500. And then we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that's 1,600, you guys. Alright, so my other daughter should have the same amount, and she's getting the same amount as well. So 25. My other daughter has 1,000, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 250, 400, 450, 500, 550. So 500, make it easier. 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. So they have the same amount, 1,600. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be writing everything like after I made the video. So vacation is getting $20. So I'm gonna take 2 10s because I don't have any more 20s. Okay. So right now for vacation we have 100, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 300. That's 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130. $430, you guys. Okay, so $430 for vacation. And this money is for a family vacation, not because sometimes I have to travel by myself. So this is not for that. This is for the family vacation. Alright guys, so family time is getting $10 today. Okay, so right now I have 50, 100, 120, 130, 140, 145. So $145. Alright guys, so clothing is getting $10. $10 on clothing. So right now on clothing I have 20, 40, 50, $60. Giving is not getting anything. I still have some money. And I have this change here, which I take it out later. So we are done with this binder. Going to the next binder, which we have emergencies, not getting anything. Car maintenance is getting $10. Alright, so for car maintenance we have 50, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 200, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. So $265, you guys, which I need way more than that to fit the car. Alright, credit card is not getting anything. Help is not getting anything this week. So we're gonna go to the next binder. Alright guys, so we're going to the next binder, my savings. And savings is getting $40 this week. So let's see, 10, so it's 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 is going to my savings. Alright guys, so on my savings I have 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30. So it's 1,130 on my savings. It's not gonna be a lot this week, but it's something is better than nothing. So I'm gonna be adding $15 to it. $100, $150, $170, $190, $100, $200, $210, $215, $220. So $220 on investment. Hopefully I will put some more very soon. We'll see, because I really want to take it out already. Christmas is getting $15. So it's getting $15. So on Christmas we have 50, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 200. And we have 50, 70, 80, 85. So 285 on Christmas. Alright guys, so school supplies, I took the money out because my kids went back to school, and I used the money because they needed some supplies for it. So we're gonna start all over on this, but I won't start today. I will start next week. Yeah, so I'm gonna be needing a new tracker. Alright, so for home, it's not getting anything this week. Gifts is not getting anything, so we are done with this binder. So I call this binder the new binder. Okay, and Alright, so travel is not getting anything. Subscription is getting $40. So let's see. Let me just break this 100, okay? And I'll be back. Alright guys, so subscription is getting $40. So I break 100, so I have some money here. Put it there. That's for my monthly payment of my Shopify store. And then eating out. Eating out is getting $10. Didn't have anything there, so. And for my birthday is getting $5. So $5 here, and for my birthday I have 55 already. Alright, so this is it. And we are gonna go to our challenges, you guys. So let's go. You know, first thing first is my 6-month challenge of $5,000. Today we are putting in $105. So 20, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 100. It's $105. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105. So 105 in here. And I will color the square in a little bit, okay, you guys? So next is the red challenge. And the red challenge is getting $5. $5. Right in there. And then the green one is getting $30. Guys, so I'm gonna be adding this money that I got left for my challenges. Right, so the green one is getting $30. 30. Okay, so we're done with that. Guys, and my last challenge, which is the fun challenge. This one is getting $5. $5, and then I will have to do this in a little bit. Alright, so we are done, and you know whatever is left, you know where it's going. It's going to the 1, 5, and 10 challenge, which I have right here. So 1, 5, and 10. See? So for the one, we are putting in $1, 2, 3, $4. $4. For the 5, we put in $5. And for the 10, we're putting $10. Alright guys, so that's it. We are done. We did it. I want to thank you so much. Appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye. I love you. Bye.